Just add vinegar to your coffee and you'll thank me. A household professional revealed this secret to me. Start by putting a small amount of old coffee in a container, as this ingredient is incredibly useful. Then add white vinegar. The mixture is simple, but the effect will amaze you. My neighbors keep asking me how this is possible. Next, we'll need salt. Add just 2 small spoons and get ready for an incredible result. Finally, we'll use detergent. It helps to make the mixture even more effective and guarantees a flawless result. Now, all you have to do is mix everything very well until the ingredients are completely dissolved. This step is essential for the solution to be homogeneous and have the expected effect. Then, transfer it to a spray bottle to make it easier to apply to the desired areas and more practical to use on a daily basis, and you're done. You'll never have this problem at home again. I'll show you exactly how to use it to make the most of all the benefits of this incredible solution. The end result is impressive. By spraying this mixture directly onto the sugar ants, they disappear immediately. But the best thing is that you can also dampen a cloth with this solution and wipe it on the sink, countertops, or any corner of the kitchen. That way, no insects will bother you again. Share this wonderful tip with your friends and family so that they can see how simple it is to get rid of all the insects that are a nuisance to everyone's life and without spending hardly anything. Please rate this tip from 0 to 10 in the comments and tell me, where are you watching me from? I'd love to know how far my videos are reaching you. And also, so that I can send you a special hug in the next video. Do it at home, and I'm sure you won't regret it. Scare away all the unwanted insects in your house. It may be a simple tip, but it's very effective and will save you a lot of money. That's it for today. I'm going to stop here. Hugs, and see you in the next video.